think this thing has a voice assistant.
Yeah, can't we talk to it?
I believe so.
Hey, Mercedes.
What can I do for you?
I am tired.
I'm starting the Vitality program.
Wow, you feel that in your back?
Hey, Mercedes.
Hey, Mercedes.
What can I do for you?
Can you raise the temperature in here a little bit?
Where is center stages?
Turn on our seat heaters.
Can you change the ambient light to blue?
Okay, I'm changing the color.
That is awesome.
What?
Look at it.
Hey, Mercedes. What are some of your great features?
I can assist you with a wide range of services. For example, I can perform a wedding ceremony right here in the car.
Mercedes, is this real?
Yes, it is. Would you like me to do that now?
Yeah.
Okay. We're ready, Mercedes.
Congratulations on your big step. Are you both ready?
What? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yes.
Yes. Please.
We are gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, the joining of two loving hearts. Please join hands.
Oh my god, Cookie.
If there is anyone who believes that this lovely couple should not be joined in marriage, speak now or forever hold your peace.
There's no one around.
Do you, Maria, take Philip to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, for all your days both in and outside of this Mercedes?
Yes. Yes, I do.
And do you, Philip, take Maria
I do.
I do.
I do.
by the power vested in me by my own artificial intelligence?
Oh, I think I'm gonna cry.
I
Wow.
now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss.
I love you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's to love and the good life. This is a feature we should really think about for the future. Thank you for joining us here at our little roadside chapel. After all, the idea behind Mercedes-Benz has always been to bring people together through mobility. I know our clip took this idea to a new level, but that's what CES is about. A new level of imagination in a digital world. Take our Vision Urbanetic, for example, an autonomous and electric people mover that is staging its premiere in the US here at the CES. In the interior, we created a sci-fi-like symbiosis of the virtual and the real worlds, a space of digital experience. The focus is a new 360-degree display for infotainment, travel information, or even personalized greetings. Passengers can also use their smartphones for augmented reality features, such as highlighting vehicle surroundings. The empathy of the Vision Urbanetic was particularly important to us. The vehicle is attentive and interacts with people through various lighting elements. With these kinds of vehicles, we're shooting for the moon, and that's a crucial part of innovation. Speaking of, when Mercedes-Benz applies its core values to future mobility, it can lead to something like this, our new EQC. You just saw it in the clip. Like the Vision Urbanetic, it started as a bold idea. As you can see, it turned out very well. It's the first Mercedes launched under our new EQ brand. The Mercedes-Benz among electric vehicles, so to speak. Soon, we will have many more. We aim for over 10 purely electric passenger cars by the year 2022. This will cover the entire portfolio from smart to large SUVs. The future is definitely electric. And speaking of the future, we show very clearly where the technological direction of our company is heading. Our vehicles are now platforms of digital progress, and we operate as a software company with more flexibility and adapting with agility to new developments and customer requirements. Our goal is to build trailblazing mobile devices that enhance our customers' lives. That is exactly the reason we are introducing our first new model of 2019 here at the CES, because the mindset around here clearly represents the idea behind this vehicle.